Who's the cutest robot?
Robi is the name.
Making friends with animals.
That's Robi's favorite game.
On land and in the sea, in deserts in that tree. Who wants to play with Robi?
Me.
Let's play for Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi and Robi.
My animal friends with Robi. Robi, let me introduce you to one of the coolest animals in nature. The hedgehog. Now, look closely. What do you see? That's right. It has lots and lots of little prickly spikes on its back. Those itty-bitty spikes are called spines, and they help the hedgehog protect itself. Who would dare touch those spines, right? Be careful, Robi. The spines are pointy and sharp. Whenever a hedgehog senses danger, it'll curl up into a ball and use its spines to protect itself. You can make a great hedgehog, Robi. Are you counting the hedgehog spines? Okay, but it might take you a while because hedgehogs have thousands of spines. I'm not sure you have the time for that. I have a better idea. Do you want to see something really cute? These cute things are itty-bitty baby hedgehogs. And don't worry about the prickly spines. When hedgehogs are born, their spines are super soft. When hedgehogs are babies, their mommies feed them just like human babies till they're old enough to feed themselves. And when hedgehogs grow up and become big hedgehogs, they like to spend time by themselves. And if they ever get lonely, they hang out with their friends and family. See? I think they're getting hungry. Want to see what the hedgehogs eat? This is how hedgehogs look for their food. Using their long noses, hedgehogs sniff out food. Have a good lunch, Mr. Hedgehog. Look, it's Harriet the Hedgehog. She looks in a hurry. I think Harriet is running home, Robi. Hedgehogs live underground in holes or tunnels. During the daytime, hedgehogs like to hang out in their homes, keeping away from the sun. At nighttime, when it gets dark, they leave their homes and get to work. Nighttime is hedgehogs' favorite time to look for food, or gather twigs and branches to build their nests. And for you, Robi, nighttime is bedtime. Let's let the hedgehogs do their work while we get ready for bed. Good night, Robi. Are you making some new friends, Robi? Do you know what kind of animal your new friends are? These are the penguins. You're not gonna believe this, but penguins are birds. Penguins have wings, but they can't fly like other birds. Their wings are too small and their bodies are too heavy. But they do have feathers and beaks like birds. Yes, just like that. Funny, isn't it, Robi? Their walk looks a little silly. But when it comes to swimming, penguins are experts. penguins live near the ocean because they love swimming and catching fish. You're right, Robi. It's cold. So how do penguins stay warm when it's so cold? I'll show you. Penguins have special waterproof feathers and a layer of fat to protect them from the cold. And since you're not a penguin, a hat can warm you up just great, Robi. Look how many penguins, Robi. Penguins live together in big groups, but every penguin also has its own small family, just like us. This is how penguin families start, Robi. Mama penguin lays an egg, and the penguin parents keep the egg safe and warm until the little chick is ready to hatch. Wow, these little penguins have big appetites. But he isn't old enough to eat on his own yet, so the mama penguin has to feed the baby food from her beak. Look at these hungry guys. They're chasing their mama to get more food. These baby penguins are brown, but when they get older, they grow all new black feathers, just like their parents. Do you think all these penguins look alike, Robi? They do to us, but penguin parents can tell their babies apart from all the other chicks. I don't think you can trick these penguins. You still look like Robi to me. Have you had a nice day with your new penguin friends, Robi? Me too, but I think it's time for us to go. We can come back tomorrow and have a nice swim with our new penguin pals. See you later, Robi. Be careful, Robi. Don't be scared, Robi. This is just a dog, and he's wagging his tail from side to side because he's happy. Are you happy now too, Robi? Most dogs love people. Some say that a dog can be your best friend. Look at all these dogs, Robi. They come in so many different shapes, sizes, and colors. There are small dogs and big dogs like this. Some dogs have really short hair. And some have really long hair like this. Poor shaggy dog can't see because he has so much hair covering his eyes. Even though dogs look so different, they're also a lot alike. Dogs have a very good sense of smell. They use their noses to find things they need. Like food. Dogs love to eat. And eat. And eat. All that eating makes dogs thirsty. Dogs have big tongues they use to get the water into their mouths. Good idea, Robi. You can use a straw to drink. Dogs also have super hearing. See, Robi? The dog can hear you from all the way over there. That's a dog barking. Barking is a dog's way of talking. Good try, Robi, but I think we should leave the barking to dogs. Dogs are also super friendly. Look how happy this one is to see you. And remember how we know when dogs are happy? That's right, Robi. They wag their tails from side to side. And what makes dogs really happy is playing. They love to play with each other and with people. Yeah, and with Robis, too. Look at these baby dogs, Robi. Aren't they cute? Do you know what baby dogs are called, Robi? They're called puppies. And like little babies, they love to play. And also like babies, puppies spend most of their time with their mommies. Their mommy gives them lots of milk so they can become big and strong. After a long day of playing, it looks like this dog needs some rest. And you need some rest too. There you go, Robi. Have a good night. Look, everyone, it's Robi. You're in the ocean, Robi. Yes, all this water is called an ocean. Do you want to see something really awesome? These beautiful creatures are called fish. They come in so many different colors, sizes, and shapes. These are fish. This is a fish. Even these are fish. Yes, fish are cool, Robi. Look, there are a lot of fish. When fish swim together, it's called a school of fish. Look out for that big fish, little friends. That's a lionfish, Robi. A fish has 2 eyes, just like us. Count them out with me. 1 and 2. And look, that fish has a mouth, too. Fish eat all kinds of things, Robi. This one likes to eat rocks for breakfast. Yes, rocks. But you and I will stick with cereal and fruit for our breakfast. And do you know how fish breathe? Let's go and ask. Excuse me, Mr. Fish. Can you show me how you breathe underwater? Fish have gills to help them breathe. Take a look. Oh, I forgot to tell you something extra cool about fish. You see how this fish moves so smoothly through the water? That's because fish have fins and tails to help them swim fast. Do you want to have a race with the fish, Robi? Okay, let's go. Ready, set, go! And they're off! And it's Mr. Fish by a nose, gills, and a tail! Good try, Robi. Are you tired from the race, Robi? You're not the only sleepy one in this ocean. Take a look. You see, even though their eyes are open, they're actually sleeping. It's how fish sleep. I think it's time for us to get to bed too, Robi. Say goodnight to all our new fish friends.
Who's the cutest robot?
Robi is the name.
Making friends with animals.
That's Robi's favorite game.
On land and in the sea, in deserts in that tree. Who wants to play with Robi? Let's sing for Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi. The animals love Robi. Robi.
My animal friends with Robi. Hey, Robi, are you trying to say hello to your new friends? Well, let me introduce you. These large animals are dolphins. Good question, Robi. Dolphins look like fish, but they're not fish. Dolphins are mammals. That means they breathe air just like us. And when they're babies, they drink milk from their mamas just like us. That's a blowhole, Robi. Dolphins have them on top of their heads. That's how they breathe. When dolphins need air, they come up out of the water and take a big breath through their blowhole. After the dolphin took a big breath, it closes its blowhole and dives back underwater again. Dolphins can stay underwater for a long time with just one breath. To get around, dolphins have flat tails that they use to propel them through the water super fast. Do you think you can keep up, Robi? Want to know something else really cool about dolphins? They're super smart. They're so smart that they even have their own special language. Listen! They talk to each other by making clicking and whistling sounds. Do you think you can do it too? Whoa, I didn't know you could speak dolphin, Robi. Dolphins are also very friendly and love spending time together in groups called pods. It makes them so happy. Look, they're smiling. You know what else makes dolphins happy? Swimming together. They love to play and do tricks. Check this out. You think you can jump and spin like that? Wow, Robi, you're good. Dolphins also love to surf and race each other. Want to join them, Robi? Cowabunga, Robi. We'll see you later. Hey, what was that? It flies like a bird, but it's not a bird. It's colorful. It's a butterfly. Butterflies are insects that come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. And butterflies have 4 wings. Yes, but they're very small, so it looks like they only have 2 wings. That's how they fly so beautifully. You don't need wings, Robi. You fly beautifully without them. Do you want to know something even more incredible about butterflies? Then get ready for this. It doesn't look like it, but these are butterflies too. That's right. Butterflies start their lives as caterpillars, with no wings at all. After a little while, a caterpillar will go into a cocoon. See, a cocoon is like a big fluffy blanket that helps the caterpillar sleep. And you're not going to believe what happens next. When the caterpillar comes out of the cocoon, it's turned into a butterfly. But it needs to stretch its wings first before it can fly. So when it's ready, the butterfly will unfold its wings and fly high into the air. All that flying makes butterflies hungry. Do you know what they like to eat? So sweet nectar from flowers. They fly from flower to flower, collecting as much nectar as they can get. You see those two long things on top of its head? Those are called antennae. Antennae help the butterflies find flowers with nectar. But butterflies don't have mouths. So how do they eat the nectar? I'll show you. Other than the antennae, the butterfly has this long tube on its head that's used like a straw to suck up all the nectar from the flower. Sweet, isn't it? I think it's time for the butterflies to go find some more food. And it's time for us to head home. Say bye-bye to the butterflies, Robi. Bye-bye, butterflies. And bye-bye, Robi. You want to play too, Robi? Good, because these are funny, furry little friends who love to play. They're called foxes. Quiz time, Robi. Can you tell me what other animal foxes look like? That's right, Robi. Foxes look like dogs because dogs and foxes are from the same family. Yes, Robi, just like cousins. Foxes love family. They live together with their family so they can take care of each other. Just like us, foxes have mommies who take care of their babies. And when baby foxes make a mess, mommy fox has to keep them clean. Bon appetit, Foxy! See this fox's nose, Robi? It's long and pointy to help the fox sniff out food. I see you're hungry too, Robi. But I don't think you want to eat what the fox is eating, Robi. Foxes have big ears. Those big ears help them hear tiny noises from far, far away. Do you hear something from far away, Robi? Then let's check it out. Good ears, Robi. You heard the foxes digging in the ground. And hey, look at this fox jumping. Where did he go? He went home to his burrow. Sometimes their burrows are up high above ground. Burrows are just like houses. It's where the foxes keep their food, sleep, and hang out with their families. Good thing you brought a flashlight, Robi. Foxes love nighttime. It's when they go out and play and eat from their mommies. Yes, and they rest mostly during the day. Let me show you. Be very quiet, Robi. After a long night of playing with their families and looking for food, these foxes are taking a nice nap. Shh, Robi. He's sleeping. You want to play with the foxes some more, Robi? Come with me. Here you go, Robi. Some fluffy foxy friends ready to play with you. Have fun playing, Robi. See you next time. Robi, shh, they're sleeping. These beautiful creatures are called ducks, and they're just about to get up and start their day. Look, Mr. Duck is up now and ready to play. Ducks come in many different colors. There's a brown one, and a black one, and... Yes, this one even has some green on him. Look how beautiful he is. It must be great fun being a duck, spending all your time in big groups with friends and family. These big groups are called flocks. Very funny, Robi. You just made a flock of Robis. And when they're together, they love doing fun things. Like swimming. Ducks aren't just fast swimmers, they're fast flyers too. Watch. Good job, Robi. You won! Look, this is a baby duck, and baby ducks are called ducklings and hatch from an egg. Baby ducks learn how to swim soon after they hatch. They just hop in the water and follow their mommy. And if the ducklings swim too far away, the mommy duck just quacks to get them back. That's right, Robi. Ducks talk to each other by quacking. Check out their funny feet. Did you ever see anything like it? Yeah, ducks have special feet that help them paddle underwater. Ducks can stay in the water as long as they want because their feathers are waterproof. See how they take good care of their feathers? Those are some fancy feathers, Robi. You look great. Dinner time, duckies. Those are beaks, Robi. Like all birds, ducks too have beaks to help them eat seeds and drink. Good job, Robi. Even though you don't have a beak, you can eat just like a duck. This is funny. The ducks are looking for food underwater. They can do that too. You may look like a duck and quack like a duck, but you're still not a duck, Robi. Ducks love to fly. That's how they travel from one place to another, just like you. Bye-bye, ducks. Bye-bye, Robi.